Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this beautiful, gorgeous, glowy, sexy Kareena Kapoor inspired makeup look. This is a very pretty look. You can do this makeup look if you're going out with your friends, or if it's a date night, or if it's some sort of an event. The skin is very minimal and glowy, whereas all the focus is on the eyes. Alright guys, so now let's get started. Okay, so I just moisturized my face with the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Now I'm going to spray some Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. The foundation I'm going to use today is the Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation, and I'm going to mix it with the K-Beauty Primer Drops. So I'm just going to take one small pump of this, a little bit of the primer, like 2 drops. Mixing it with my finger using the back of my hand as a palette. I'm going to spread it on my face. I think that's all. Now taking the buffing brush, I am just going to buff it out. Foundation blends so well with the brush. You can see it hardly takes any time to blend now. Today for my concealer, I am going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless Concealer. I am in the shade Medium Warm Golden. It broke like a month or 2 months ago. This is a really nice concealer. I should still use it. I was just going to tell you something, but then I forgot. Wait, let me remember. What was I going to say? And just blend, blend, blend. Guys, do suggest me some other nice concealers. I've tried this one. It works great. Look at this. I'm done with concealing my dark circles. For my powder, I'm going to use the K-Beauty HD Setting Loose Powder in the shade Banana. And this is the bottle. I love this one. I'm going to take this sponge and dunk it in the powder and then just apply it in my under eye area. I remember I was just going to talk to you about the Buckingham Murders. I actually went alone for this movie. I did watch it. I mean, to be very honest, I found it a little boring, but Kareena was like super good. Obviously, it's just because of her that I watched the movie. I didn't find the plot to be very interesting. That's my views. Let me know how you guys liked it. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use my Lakme Brow Perfector. This is in the shade Charcoal. I also love the Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Pencil. I love that too. And I've tried this. This is also my favorite. So just let me know if you guys have found a really nice eyebrow product. I would love to try it. Today I'm going to use the Stan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is just wow. On my eyelids, I'm just going to apply some concealer and conceal the natural color so that the eyeshadows pop more. So I am going to blend it with my fingers. Taking the banana powder, I am dipping the sponge in it and I'm just going to powder my eyelids. Okay, so our canvas is clean. Now we can go ahead with the eyeshadow. So the first eyeshadow I'm going to use is this shade right here. It's called Nectar. I am going to put it in the crease of my eyes. If you wear lenses, the look changes a lot. It's really not necessary to purchase a lens because of this look. That is the reason why I have stopped wearing lenses, because I don't want you guys to think that the look will only look good if it's paired with lens. Now I'm also going to put this shade on my lower lash line. Don't forget to join the colors right here, right in the corner. This color I'm going to use is this shade. So you can take any warm brown shade which has a little hint of, just the slightest hint of brick red in it. So we're just gonna take this and apply it all over our eyelids. Now using this Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil. Now this is in the shade Mysterious Black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tight line my eyes with this and I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line. So I'm going to take the same tan eyeshadow palette and use this black eyeshadow and I'm going to place it on top of my kajal, just to make it look smoky. Then I'm going to extend it just a little bit on the outer corner Next, we're also going to apply the black on our lower lash line. Mascara I'm going to use is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is also one of my favorite mascaras. It just makes my eyelashes look so natural. We're just going to apply one coat of mascara because we're going to use false lashes. But if you don't want to use false lashes, it's totally okay. You can apply about 2-3 coats of this mascara or any other mascara that you like. So I am going to be back after applying my lashes. Guys, trust me when I say this is one of the hardest looks to crack because I'm just not getting the color on her eyelids. I've tried so many colors, but then right now I feel like there's something missing, you know. I'm using this Makeup Revolution palette and this is in the shade Golden Bar, and I'm using this bronze shade. So if you guys have anything like this with you, you can use that. I'm just gonna use my fingers, dip my fingers in it. I'm gonna apply it on my eyelids and just put it all over your eyelids. Now I feel like I've almost got it. I'm also going to put this on my lower lash line. I'm also going to take this eyeshadow, which is like a really dark brown, almost like a black. And then I'm going to take this and put it on top of the kajal. So the black shouldn't show because it's not like she's got really black kajal. It's more like she's got dark something going on, but it's not black. Oh my god, this looks so much better. And now just taking the kajal again, I'm just going to line the waterline. There's a lot of mixing going on. Now the slightest amount of kajal on the upper lash line. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for the eyes. Okay, now I am going to bronze my face. I'm going to use this Milani Glow Baked Bronzer and I'm just going to bronze my cheeks with this. She's got this beautiful glow on her cheeks, but then there's no blush, it's just the bronze. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is in the shade Molten Gold. This is a beautiful highlighter. So I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, cupid's bow, and a little bit on the forehead. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink, and this is in the shade Peachy. I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips. It's a really nice nude peachy shade. And after application, I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. And then I'm gonna use the Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Choco Nude, and I'm just gonna line my lips with it. Guys, future me coming up, do not forget to put this in the inner corners of the eyes. I just shot the outro and the intro, and now I realize that I did not put it in the inner corners of the eyes, so don't forget to do that. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial guys, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, please let me know what other look you want me to do next, because I'm going back to my comfort zone where I try out different celebrity inspired makeup looks. So yes, feel free to suggest, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.